It's time for NHK World Japan's Easy Japanese. I'm Eriko Kojima.
And I'm Michael Reese. Let's have fun learning Japanese together. Today it's lesson 42 on expressing your intent or plans. Tam finds out that a pianist she admires is going to hold a recital. It's Yuki. On the day of the recital, she and her friend Mia go to the concert hall.
Let's have a listen to the skit for lesson 42.
タム、綺麗なお花だね。ユウキさんに渡すつもりです。すごく良かったです。さあ、楽屋に行こう。はい。
Okay, let's examine the meaning line by line.
Tam is holding a big bouquet of flowers. Mia says,
タム、綺麗なお花だね。
Tam, those flowers are pretty.
Tam replies,
ユウキさんに渡すつもりです。
I'm going to give them to Yuuki-san.
After the performance, applause fills the hall. Tam excitedly says to Mia,
すごく良かったです。
That was wonderful.
Then Mia suggests to Tam,
さあ、楽屋に行こう。
Okay, let's go backstage.
Tam happily agrees.
はい。
Yes, let's.
Tam really seems to have enjoyed Yuki's performance.
I wonder if they'll be able to see each other backstage.
Today's key phrase is, I'm going to give them to Yuki-san.
ユウキさんに渡すつもりです。
If you learn this pattern, you'll be able to express your intent or plans.
Let's figure it out piece by piece. Yuuki-san ni means to Yuuki-san. The particle ni indicates the recipient. Watasu tsumori desu is the dictionary form of the verb watasu, to give, followed by tsumori desu, which means going to. Today's point. By combining the dictionary form of a verb and tsumori desu, you can express what you're going to do or intend to do.
In the skit, Tam was going to give the bouquet to Yuki after the recital, so she said, Watasu tsumori desu.
Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat.
渡すつもりです。ユウキさんに渡すつもりです。ユウキさんに渡すつもりです。
Listen to this conversation. A man is asked about his plans by a Japanese woman he's met during a trip.
これからどこに行きますか？
姫路に行ってお城を見るつもりです。
Here's what it means.
これからどこに行きますか？
Where are you going to go from now?
これから means from now. And どこに is where to. 行きますか is the verb to go, 行く in the polite question form.
姫路に行ってお城を見るつもりです。
I'm going to go to Himeji and see the castle.
In 姫路に行って、行って is to go, 行く in the te form. お城 is 城 meaning castle with o before it, which makes it polite. 見る is to see. By adding つもりです, the man explains his plans.
Himeji Castle was built about 400 years ago. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Now listen and repeat.
お城を見るつもりです。姫路に行ってお城を見るつもりです。姫路に行ってお城を見るつもりです。
All right then. let's practice expressing other things. Imagine someone at a guest house is asking about your plans for today. Answer, you're going to go to a museum with a friend.
With a friend is
友達と
and museum is
博物館
to go is
行く
use the particle ni to indicate direction, remember? All set? Okay, go ahead.
友達と博物館に行くつもりです。友達と博物館に行くつもりです。
This time, say you're planning to relax in your room. In my room is
部屋で
and to relax is
ゆっくりする
Now give it a try.
部屋でゆっくりするつもりです。部屋でゆっくりするつもりです。
Got it? Today's bonus phrase is what Tam said after Yuki's performance. Memorize it.
すごく良かったです。
すごく良かったです means that was wonderful or literally it was very good. すごく is very and 良かったです means was good. すごく is more casual than とても. You'll often hear it in daily conversation. You can use it with other adjectives as in it's very tasty, すごく美味しいです and it was lots of fun, すごく楽しかったです
Listen to how various people say it.
すごく良かったです。
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 Now you try. Listen and repeat.
すごく良かったです。
Now listen to the skit once more.
タム、綺麗なお花だね。ユウキさんに渡すつもりです。すごく良かったです。さあ、楽屋に行こう。はい。ミーヤーのトラベルガイド。
Next up, Mia's travel guide. Since we mentioned Himeji Castle earlier, we'll talk about Japanese castles.
So Michael, have you ever been to one?
Well, I've been to a few over the years. In fact, there's a lot of castles in Japan, and they're a great way to get an insight into Japanese history.
Yes, Japan has plenty of castles and they're popular tourist destinations. There are various kinds.
Yes, there are. Well, for example, Himeji Castle, we talked about in Hyogo Prefecture, is also known as White Heron Castle, because its elegant appearance, people think, resembles a white heron spreading its wings. Another example is Matsumoto Castle in Nagano Prefecture, which has the country's oldest existing tower, and it rises 5 tiers. The contrasting black and white exterior is really quite a sight.
I'd like to go there for sure. There are various ways to enjoy a castle. You can appreciate its beautiful form, climb up to the tower for a panoramic view, or stroll around the stone wall or the moat to take a trip back in time. Some sites have virtual reality apps that recreate days gone by. You can get a picture of history right on your mobile device. Well, we hope you enjoyed today's Easy Japanese.
Tune in next time.